Naam, hujambo ndugu msikilizaji, na siku ya leo nakuletea ndugu Ken ambaye tutaongea naye ndani ya AGR, and I love to use English so that we can reach our audience. My name is Jeremiah Orino Tina and this is AGR. Ken, habari ya siku ya leo?
Mzuri kabisa. My name is, like you said, is Ken Wambweri, and I'm based here in Arlington, Texas. Lived here for many years, and yes, that's who I am. Professionally, I do. I'm a family nurse practitioner. I just opened up a clinic here in the city of
Family nurse practitioner.
That is correct.
So basically, that does not deal with medicine, or
we do deal with medicine.
It's all natural or a mixture?
No, right now we are dealing with. We have a combination of natural products like over the counter, like let's say like omega-3 fatty acids, and also like vitamin D, which is over the counter products. But also we also do medicine. We cater for the whole family from 2 years to 100 plus.
Oh wow! So basically, you have a clinic in Dallas Fort Worth area. That's in Arlington, Uris, or where?
That's right. We have a clinic here in Arlington. Arlington, Texas is between Dallas and Fort Worth. I did look us up based on the address, and we have exactly 14 minutes from the Cowboys Stadium.
Oh wow, 14 minutes.
That's correct.
That's very close.
Yes.
Yeah. How different are you from the other clinics that we have, like JPS and other clinics? How different are you?
You know, I'm not quite really, familiar or sure about what JPS is doing, but I do know that they have a lot of it's government.
Oh yeah.
So a lot of times you find that you go to one of those clinics, it's for the low-income people, it's for it will be overcrowded, it will be for, and yeah, like I said, it's for the low-income population who do not have anywhere else to go. But difference between them and us is that we are private owned, and the main thing we are in this business is not to make money. So we find that we are helping our people where we have to make a little money to pay for the rent, we have to pay for the right bills, so that kind of thing. But that's, yes.
Are you by yourself, or you have other people that help you in doing the business?
No, right now it's just myself and one other employee. But that's to begin with, and then as we get busier and busier, then we'll hire more people to come on board to even work with us.
So how long have you been there?
Actually, that's a good question. We just opened up in November.
November
1st, 2017.
Oh, just a few months.
2 months. You can say we've been busy for 2 months.
Okay. How has been the outreach, the input?
That's the thing, and I thank you for even allowing us to come here and do this, get the word out. We find that a lot of people do not know that we exist. They don't know about us. So our main goal that we are trying to do is get the word out, because we know there's a lot of people, even our parents who come from Kenya without health insurance. Those are the kind of people.
Usually Kenyans, at times we stereotype in a way.
Exactly.
And getting this insurance thing is not our thing.
Yeah, it's not priority. And the people who are self-employed, who do not have insurance through their work, we can help those kind of people. Our prices are very competitive.
Actually, to be on point, how do you help them?
How we help them is that, like, for example, we do have free medications. Like when we prescribe some of our medications, it's a list of about 10 or more medications that you can get for free. Some of them are for diabetes, like for example, metformin. Other medications is simvastatin for cholesterol. So those are, you come to us, we prescribe those for you, and you are able to get them for free. At the same time, let me just say here, price, like for example, for a regular visit, it's only $49.99. If you go to Walmart, it's $59 to $100.
So what does that $49 cover?
It covers a regular office visit. If you need a refill, if you need to be seen for check your blood pressure, prescribe the medication, if you have a sore throat, any type of a regular visit that is not prolonged.
So that covers the prescription and an initial checkup.
The prescription usually is extra. If it's not free, then you'll be paying that at the pharmacy, and they'll tell you the price for that. Usually it's $4, maybe no more than $10.
Oh wow!
Yes.
That's just like helping, the way you said, helping our people.
Exactly.
And you know our problem.
Right.
So, so when there comes that problem of ours, and I see it's a good way of helping our people. But again, how do you benefit?
How do we benefit? We get, well, you're self-employed, so that is one of the benefits. That way, you know, if people, more and more people are coming to us to take advantage of our services, then we are able to, you know, say we are self-employed. Number two is that the satisfaction that we get, even seeing that we are helping our people, even seeing that we are making a difference in the community, making sure, like I'm catching a lot of people with diabetes without them knowing it. We have a physical assessment that we do, that including your labs, including your checking if you have diabetes, including how high your cholesterol is. And I'm finding a lot of people are coming to me without knowing it. We find that we are having to diagnose them with diabetes, so they are just walking around eating the sugars, eating a lot of carbs, and then they don't even know they have diabetes.
They're surprised. They're told.
They're surprised. We do a simple blood test in the office. We find that they are diabetic, and then we have to start them on medication, and that's what we are doing to help our people.
Currently, the DFW area, we are mourning the death of our loved ones, and the most recent deaths have been due to the cause of cancer. Diagnosis is the least thing for the Kenyans to do. Free checkups. Those are the hardest thing for me as a Kenyan to come forward and say, oh, let me just come and you do a checkup on me. So what's your word to our viewers and the listeners on AGR?
Yes, I would really definitely encourage our people. It's unfortunate that a lot of people are waiting 5 years, 10 years without going to the doctor. Recently in 2017, I coined this phrase that you don't go to the doctor because you're sick, you go to the doctor to keep you from getting sick. So what you can do is come to us, let us screen you for diabetes, let us screen you, let us send you for colonoscopy. Anybody over the age of 50, we check for colon cancer at the age of 50. Let us screen you for these things, so that if we find it early, we can treat it. But if it's too late, if it's too advanced, then not much can be done.
Wow. Evergreen Medical Clinic.
That's right.
And this is Ken G. Wamwili. Nenchega.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We are here again to our viewers. We are right here at 619 Matrock Center Circle in Arlington, Texas, 76015. Our phone number is 817-987-1127. If you want to check us out on our website, it's www.evergreent.clinic.com. And again, thank you for the opportunity.
Just before I let you go, what are some of the samples or free meds that you give to our people?
That's a good question. One of the medicine that is available for free, we prescribe it for you, is amoxicillin. After you come with a cough or sore throat, you are able to get the amoxicillin for free. Another medication that is on the list is Cipro. That is for, let's say, for the women if they have a UTI, also for the guys, if you have a urinary tract infection, we are able to prescribe that medication and it's free. Another medication that is on the list is folic acid. If those people who are low on folic acid, that also will come free. Lisinopril is a medication we use for high blood pressure. It is free if we prescribe it for you. Metformin is another medication. It's usually used for diabetes, mellitus type 2. We are able to provide that medication for free. And also, last but not least, is simvastatin. That one is used for high cholesterol, and if you come through us, we are able to prescribe it for you. Make sure you get it for free.
There are so many listeners. I got so many listeners, so many viewers, but most of them are not in state. So how do you reach those people that are out of state?
For the people who are out of state, it's something we are working on. For right now, we are only offering this within Texas. It's a pro app that we have. We are able to see you through telemedicine. So anywhere in Texas you are, we can be able to see you through our webcam. It's almost similar to Skype, but it's called DoxyMe. We'll have to send you a link.
DoxyMe.
Yeah. You pay us through Cash App, that's the $49.99, and then if you have a source code, we're able to prescribe it. It's the amoxicillin, if it's the Z-Pack, and we are able to see anyone within Texas. So, but if you're out of state, we are working on how we can also reach people who are outside the state of Texas. But right now, if you are anywhere in the state of Texas. You don't have to come to us. We see you through an app. It's secure, it's HIPAA compliant, and you don't have to come to the office, so it's very, very convenient.
Wow, and I'm thinking of something like a free medical camp.
Okay.
If we host a free medical camp, are you guys able to come and help our people? Maybe in one of the Kenyan meetings, Kenyan churches, are you able to come and diagnose, even give free prescriptions to our people?
I wouldn't say free prescriptions because they are coming from pharmacy. But if we are able to see you and screen you and find out what the problem is, then we are able to prescribe the medication. Some of them, I would say, they will be free. Yes, there's a list of the ones that are free. But then there's some that are gonna be you're gonna have to pay for, but it's not gonna be that expensive. But I think the first thing first, let us come, let us screen you, let us find out what the problem is, and then we'll go from there.
But the good thing is that you work with the patient.
Right.
So that means if I'm unable to pay, we can even work out a payment plan.
We can work out a payment plan.
Anything that works for us.
That is correct.
Your health is very important, and we are glad that we have you here.
Yes.
Our people who understand our problem. You know, at times we talk to various people, at times they don't understand where we come from, they don't understand our problem.
Yes.
And it's good that we have one of us, amidst us, so that at least you people can help us. What's your last word for viewers?
Viewers, if you are having issues, do not be afraid of going to the doctor. Let us come to us. Let us find out what the problem is, and then we go from there. But at least let us check and find out what the problem is. If you have not been to the doctor, it's been 2 years, 3 years, the annual physical, that's the most important thing for you. You can do it once a year. It's only $129.99, very, very affordable. And then once a year, you don't have to come back to us if we don't find anything else. And at the same token, those who have New Year resolutions, if your goal is to lose weight, be in shape, we also help with weight loss. We have a very affordable program. Come, let us help you be in your best health that God intended for you to have.
Wow, thank you so much, listeners. This is AJR. I'm glad that you watched us today, and I'm going to share the link down here for Evergreen Medical Clinic and the address. So stay tuned. And before I wind up, I want to tell you that subscribe to our channel, AJR Live. We have our free app on Play Store, iOS. We are there 24/7, and we bring you this live from AJR Live DFW. I'm Jeremiah Urino. Till next week. God bless you. Thank you, brother.